Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gautam. Today I'm going to show you my daily learning. This is how we practice our name.
How you will practice, Mama?
Like this watch. This is all about me.
What is this?
Name, last name, age, father, mother, phone number, school, city, country, address.
And what is this, Gautam?
Ooh, I know it's ABC.
What you will do?
A, B, C, D, E, F,
B.
A, B, K, D, E, F, G. I will practice phonic sounds.
Oh.
A for apple.
B for?
B for bat. C for car. H for H.
H, okay. D for?
D for dog.
Good
E
job.
for
What is this, Mama?
it's a number chart.
Okay. Do you know 1 to 100 numbers?
Yes.
What you are practicing now?
100 to 1.
Yes, it's a backward. And what is this, Mama? What is this, Mama?
This is a zoo animal. You're a bee.
What activity is this? Can you please explain me?
When you count all of flamingos, you have to put 2.
Flamingos? Can you count all flamingos?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. Can you write here number? Good job. And what is this?
This is the shape matching. Whatever we see in the red box, same shape we have to circle.
What is this, Mama? What
These are all of the sentences.
senses?
Yeah.
Okay. And can you please explain this all? What is this?
I can see, I can smell, I can touch, I can
taste.
I can taste, I can hear, I can touch.
Okay. So what?
I know. How about this one? There.
Strawberry, I can taste it. Good
Yeah.
job.
I can taste this too.
Oh.
And a violin, I can hold it. Here, I mean.
I can listen. I can hear. Okay. Is this, Mama?
Days of the week.
Okay. Can you please put?
Today is Wednesday.
Oh.
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Okay.
Yesterday was Tuesday.
Yes. Good job.
This page is all about months of the year.
Okay. Wow. What is this, Mama?
This page is all about seasons. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. This page is all about weather. Sunny, windy, snowy, rainy, cloudy.
Today, how was the weather today, Mama?
How was the weather? It was rainy and then it was sunny.
Oh, page. What is this, Mama?
Page is all about size sorting. Signs and shapes.
Oh, you can learn. Oh, I see. You can learn traffic and shapes at a time.
Triangle.
Wow.
goes here.
Good job.
And look, it's pointing the traffic sign. I love traffic signs. Who's Wakem?
Who is he?
He's a mail carrier.
Okay.
Now, who is in this square?
Square. What is this?
Look, it's in this.
Gautam, what is this?
Ooh, it's accelerator.
Oh,
He lives in this accelerator.
Okay.
This Alvin is in this black box. We have to put it with these particles. Now comes down with this green.
Oh, you can learn colors too, Gautam. Wow,
Look,
this is
it's
green
a red
color,
one. We have to
yellow,
put right
red. Wow.
there. Perfect. The solar system, and also you can do this.
Oh, how many planets? What is this, Mama?
It's continents.
Oh, how many continents are there?
I think there are 7.
Oh, okay.
This is a motion chart.
Emotional chart?
Yeah.
Character emotional chart.
With all of these squares, just so which one is right in
Can you
here.
show me eyes?
Eyes
Yes, like
and head.
yes. And what is this, Mama?
nose.
These all are the human body. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. And these all are the
These are all inner body parts. Now I'm learning about these.
And what is this, Mama?
What do animals eat?
Oh, I see.
The second page is where do animals live?
Oh, these all are about habitats?
Yeah.
Okay, so how you will we have some pictures right here. Can you keep it in order?
Okay.
Where parrot lives?
Parrot? I just talk about school. These are all insects. We're going to play photo game. So this caterpillar has
photo
to
matching?
go here.
Okay. What is this?
It's upside down.
What is this?
I don't know what.
What is this?
It's
What is this?
a chrysalis.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
You forgot caterpillar, ma.
And look,